Guys, lahat ito ay buto ng camel. See? May gagawin tayo dito, guys. Special at mahal pag binili sa labas. Ito siya. Mga buto, mga paa. Parang bulalo dun sa bulalo ng paa ng kalabaw, ng baka. Pero ito, guys, is camel. Yan. Marami, guys, mga 10 kilo ito. Dito pa. Ayan pa. Huhugasan ko to, guys. Ayan, isa-isahin natin siya, guys. Pero malinis na po. Hugas. Sakaling mo ito. Gaganda, oh. May isa. Another bucket. Kaya naka-plastic ito, guys, kasi inilagay ko muna sa freezer. Kinabukasan ko ito pinakuluan, so ilalagay ko na siya sa malaking kaldero, guys. So ayan, ilalagay ko na lahat dyan, guys. Nag-change ako dyan ng mas malaki pang kaldero, guys. This is full of bones. Now I put some water so that we will do the first boil, then we will wash. Then see, it's already boiling. We need to remove the first water boiling para malinis siya. Ito yung mga bloody na siya. Pero ito, guys, is cow foot and some camel bone. So, mix. So, yan, guys. So, huhugasan natin to, guys. We need to wash this one. After that, we will put another water on it to boil for 12 hours or more than 12 hours, and then we will put some spice. We'll put some black pepper, cloves, star anise, cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, and this parsley flour, I think, kusbara in here in Arabic. Then we'll put some apple cider vinegar. Yeah. So guys, this one is washed already from the first boil. This is the final boiling. Then I put all the spices that I need. Some, see, this black pepper, yeah, star anise, cloves, bay leaves, yeah, stick. Then I put some apple cider vinegar. So guys, this I filled with water and boiled it again for 12 hours or more than 12 hours so that we can extract the collagen from the bone. This is good for the health, guys. So I make a bunch, a big one, see, a big, because this is long boiling. At ngayon guys, i-check natin. Oh, lala. So, haluin natin siya. Ma-extract lahat. Ay, wala na. Yan. Ito guys, papalabigin ko. Then, we need to cool down this water. We'll put on the fridge for 12 hours again. After that, it become like a jelly. So, this is they called collagen. The nutrients that we can get from the bone that I boiled for almost 14 hours, but specific 12 hours. Then I make it a little bit more boiling. So this is the thing that I get from the bone. This is the collagen from the bone. This is good for bones, for human. It's like a soup. Then I will put this one in the fridge for 12 hours. Then tomorrow I will let you see the come out. I will let you see how become jelly. Then I will stuck on the fridge. After overnight in the fridge, see, all the oil fat, it's up, become white. Then I will scrape it this one.